Welcome back, tubers. Mr. Fix-It coming at you with another video. Done holiday, so I got to get back to doing my videos. This is a Home Depot Siege review. This is a Hampton Bay patio furniture. This is what it looks like. Now look, for shipping purposes, the thing comes in parts. Okay, so you got your bottom part and the top part, and then there's brackets on here. Okay, there's 3 on each chair, and it comes with the hardware with a little wrench to put it on. You got your screws. They screw right into the base. Okay, you want to make sure you put a washer on. Okay, and then they have these little covers. You want to make sure you put these covers on as to protect, the cushions. Okay, now the cushions come separate. They come like this, wrapped in plastic, and then you got your covers right here, your cushion covers. Now what I did, I left the plastic on. See the plastic? I left the plastic on in case something gets spilled on it or something. You can just take the covers off and wash them, and it won't mess up your cushions. Now you can do whatever you want. I know that's kind of what the Italians do, but there is a purpose to it. I mean, if you want to keep the cushions nice, and even if they get wet in the rain, they're supposed to, the cushions are supposed to be able to take, some dampness or moisture. But I think if you keep the plastic on, I mean, it just makes a little bit of sound when you sit on it. But I think your cushions will last a lot longer if you leave the plastic on. So I assembled the base. Okay, base comes with plastic on the top, and then there's paper wrapped around the bottom, so they stay pretty nice in shipping. But they do this so they can put it in a box. I couldn't even believe when they delivered them, that there was 2 chairs in the box. So it's pretty compact. When you get them, you just take all the parts out. Make sure you don't lose anything. Okay, the hardware here comes in a package like this, so you just rip everything out. Make sure you don't lose anything, because it is custom fit for the chairs. Okay, so you have your cushions, your cushion covers, your hardware, and the chair pieces, and this is what it ends up looking like. And believe it or not, it's not that bad to assemble these things. So I don't think you'll need to call an expert or anything. I think you can pretty much do it yourself. They look pretty nice. You could even use them in your living room if you wanted to. But they're pretty sturdy. You got the back supports right here. Okay, and on the bottom there's little plastic feet. Okay, so you can turn these out. They're adjustable. Okay, right here. So you can adjust them down so they're level. Or if you want them, laid back a little bit, you can adjust out the front legs and leave the back low. Okay, so that's the chairs at Home Depot. They're made by Hampton Bay, and like I said, they come in pieces. All you got to do is assemble them. The cushions aren't that bad to get into the covers, and make sure you don't lose the hardware pack. Okay, if you have any questions on this Hampton Bay chair, leave them in the comments. Be sure press the like button and subscribe so I can get my 1,000 subscribers and do some lives. I want to do lives. So press that button, people. Thanks for coming and watching my video. I sure appreciate it. This is Mr. Fix-It coming at you with another Home Depot seed review. I'm out.